This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Immaculate Day. Gorgeous single-family condo home in a gated community only minutes from town center in Virginia Beach. New carpets and LVP flooring. This amazing open floor plan home has a stunning kitchen with custom cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and a breakfast bar area, large kitchen island, 4 large bedrooms, 2 being with primary suites, and 3.5 baths. Primary bedroom with large sitting area and tray ceiling, 2 huge walk-in closets and bathroom with separate tub and large custom tiled shower and dual sink vanity. Large laundry room, office/study area. A gas fireplace in the large great room with access door to large patio and privacy fenced backyard. Dual zone HVAC and energy efficient tankless water heater. 2-car garage and room for 4 cars driveway. This immaculate home with many custom upgrades is